unboxing. I just got my Plunder Design starter kit. So let's see what's in it. This is what the kit looks like. Oh, there's a front. It says Plunder. Live life plunderfully. How fun. Let's see here. Your plunder. Life starts today. Okay. Since it's a stylus kit, here are some thank you cards that come in it. And there are the summer inserts that start right now in July. This is early July. Ooh, I have a Plunder badge, Plunder Design. And these are some brochures to accessorize your wardrobe and your life. And some business cards to use as well. And jewelry drop stickers. And here's some customer order forms that come in it. And here's the mini catalog. 3 ways to enjoy a plunderful life. The Plunder Posse, host a party and become a Plunder stylist. And these are the full-size catalogs for 2019-2020. Okay, now, better put that one underneath or back in here. There's also the Power Start guide, how to get started right away, and Plunderpedia, a detailed guide for your more plunderful life. Okay, here's the bangles and blessings. This is work with your sponsor to earn a 3-pack of your stackable magnetic bangles. Wonder what that's going to look like. Okay, let's come in. Look at this right there. See what it says on it? Blessed, blessed. So we want to bless each other's lives. That's the blessed bangle that comes in the July kit. This is the Plunder Louisa.
Hey, we're having my mom's birthday.
Okay. Here I got this. Oh, look at all those little bangles on this one. This is the Louisa. And of course you can adjust the length of it. That works for you. I really like the Louisa. Now there's a bracelet that goes with it as well. Okay, what was this one? This is the Gentry. These are some Gentry earring hoops. Those come in your starter kit as well. Now this is the Rome. And you can tell from the part number when it says PN, then that's a Plunder necklace. So you can mix and match a lot of these. Let's go this way and look at that one. We have the gold and the white and the black all mixed together. You can mix and match pretty much anything you want to. This is the Ernestine and it says PB, so that is a bracelet. Oh, look at that. That is really cool. Look at that. Wire around it and the size of those stones. That's amazing. I love that. Okay, we have a few more here that come in the kit. This is the Alana. So PE means earrings. I'm going to show it off in the little bag this time. Everything comes in a fun little bag like that. This is like Christmas in July, right? And this is Welcome to the Tribe, it says. Plunder Savvy Design, Ways to be Savvy, and this is a note from Hillary, the designer and owner of the company, Hillary Adams. Thank you, Hillary. And this is for what the first level of stylist is savvy. So this is the savvy pendant. Okay, I wonder what are in the blue ones. And I wonder what are in this and this. Which one should we do first? Oh, let's see what this is. Marcetta PB, so I'm guessing the bracelet. Oh yeah, here's the Marcetta bracelet. Let's take a look at this. It's got this velveteen on it right here. See it? Like this. Now, we're going to go with Vienna, which is a necklace. That comes in the starter kit as well. Look at all this gold chain. This is awesome.
I'm just snoring and then I randomly start sleeping.
I love this. Look at that necklace. Isn't that a fun chain right there? Okay, now we're going to do one of the blue ones. And this is also a necklace, the Marina. It'd be fun to be at a marina right now. Oh, and there's your water blue, your aqua color, your turquoise. Wow. Look at this. Wear that with our bracelet we had out just a minute ago. Okay. It's beginning to look like thunder with all these boxes, isn't it? Okay, look at these red earrings just in time for the 4th of July freedom stuff that we've just been celebrating. And it still goes for the whole month of July, especially in this area with the Pioneer Days that some celebrate here. I think we have two more. This is the Karsten. It says PB, so I believe that would be a bracelet. Plunder bracelet. Oh, I like that. I like these little, this right here that they put on all of the necklaces. See it that way. Plunder. And then here's the fentanyl necklace. Okay, one more. Let's see what it is here. This is the Anadia. Is that how you say it? And we'll end on another necklace here. I've already got one on right here that I've been wearing that I got beforehand, which I appreciate. Okay, this one has a fun rectangle to it. I'm going to leave it on that so you can see the way that they package this and hang that down. So these are all the things that come in your Plunder Design Stylist Starter Kit. Here's your Plunderful. Life starts today.